This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 37 Demonstration-XIII. The video begins by demonstrating important facts and methods in applet programming, such as the requirement to import applet and art packages, and the vital role of the paint method, which includes drawstring to display text at specific coordinates. The narrator then explains the standard init, start, and paint methods in Java applets and their order of execution, showing an example where these methods are overridden to display text and colors, and presenting an applet without any method definitions that still runs but remains blank. Moving on, the video demonstrates the stop and destroy methods in applets, explaining how init creates and sets up the frame, start is implicitly invoked, and stop needs an explicit call to hot execution, while paint displays string content in the applet area. The next chapter focuses on the banner applet, which showcases a moving string using thread execution, with the thread created in start and run handling the animation logic, while paint and repaint intermittently render the string characters, giving the illusion of motion. The video then discusses how HTML allows embedding Java applets, though modern browsers no longer support them, and how HTML tags structure and format content, with browsers ignoring unrecognized content like applet code, while the applet viewer only displays the embedded applet. In the final chapter, the key takeaways are summarized, highlighting that applets enabled interactive programs on web pages, with methods like init, start, stop, destroy, and paint handling various aspects, and threads and paint enabling animated content, while HTML provided a platform to embed and display these Java applets, despite the challenges of modern browsers dropping applet support. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.